How can I calculate the electricity cost of running a refrigerator?
Hello there. Have you ever wondered how much electricity your refrigerator uses and what that translates to in terms of your electricity bill? Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can calculate the cost of running your refrigerator.
Understanding your refrigerator's energy consumption.
The first step to calculating the cost of running your refrigerator is understanding its energy consumption. You'll need to find out how many watts it uses per hour. This information is often located on a sticker or plate inside the fridge, typically on the side or at the back. If you can't find it, try looking up your model online. Let's denote the power consumption in watts as P.
Converting to kilowatt hours.
Electricity is usually billed in kilowatt hours, kWh, not watts. So, we need to convert the wattage of your fridge to kilowatt hours. This is easily done by dividing the wattage by 1000. Here's the formula. E, energy in kWh, equals P, power in watts, 1000.
Calculating daily energy consumption.
Next, we need to calculate how many kilowatt hours your fridge uses per day. A fridge typically runs for about half the day, so we'll use 12 hours as our time, T. Using the formula, E, energy in kWh per day, equals P, power in kW, T, time in hour per day.
Calculating monthly energy consumption.
Now, to find out how much energy your fridge uses in a month, we just need to multiply the daily energy consumption by the number of days in a month, usually 30. Here's the formula. E, energy in kWh per month, equals E, energy in kWh per day, asterisk 30.
Finding out the cost.
Finally, to find out how much running your fridge costs you, multiply the monthly energy consumption by the cost per kilowatt hour, which you can find on your electricity bill. The final formula is cost equals E, energy in kWh per month, asterisk cost per kilowatt hour. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can calculate the cost of running your refrigerator. It's always a good idea to know how much your appliances are costing you, and this can help you to be more energy efficient and save on your electricity bill. We hope this information has been helpful to you. Keep exploring and learning.